Hi guys, I'm back again with a DIY haul. All the shopping from DIY sale. So guys, I have already done DIY haul for car, bike, and cycle accessories. I have done second one is for home accessories, and third one is for pet accessories, guys. So you can see this is my bill, and I wanted, so we get the pet accessories very cheap, guys, really cheap. So bowl, you can see 57 rupees, guys. So whenever you go to buy a bowl of food plastic, this bowl, even this bowl will cost you 150 rupees, but I got in 57. Great deal. So these are two scoops, guys, two cat litter scoops, guys. So the one which I bought, cat litter scoop, is 150 rupees single piece, and these are, let's check, these are, guys, 43 rupees for two scoops, guys. Awesome deal. Okay, guys, so this is a pouch to keep your pet accessories, like all the medicine. I have bought this pouch to keep all the medicine. This is only 70 rupees, guys. Awesome deal. So guys, this, as you know, for cat, this is a playing ball, but actually this was a keychain in DIY which I got it for 60 rupees. It also had a hook. So I separated the keychain ring and the hook as a separate keychain, and I use this as a cat's toy. Okay, guys. So you will, if you go to buy a rat, this furry rat and this smooth rat, it will cost minimum 150 rupees. So guys, it was dual purpose. I made a keychain as well as a cat toy. So guys, this is a belt. So this belt, guys, normally if you go in a showroom or else pet shop, you cannot get this below 150 rupees, guys. I got it only for 53 rupees, guys. Awesome deal. So guys, I will come to other bird accessories. So if you will see, multi-purpose latch. So guys, this is multi-purpose latch. This can be used for your cat house or bird house. This is just a latch. So that's only for 37 rupees. So guys, then we come to bird ladder. You can see I got it for 95 rupees only, and bird standing pole for 85 rupees, guys. So this is the cat ladder, guys. Beautiful with two metal hooks, guys. Awesome. And this is, as I said, this is a stand. You can fix it anywhere in your cage, and this has a beautiful screw. So guys, this I felt it very beautiful, and I bought these things for my dad. And guys, this is a bird feeder, as you know. You must have seen what should be its price. Okay, its MRP is I guess around 49. Guys, this is in DIY. I got it for only 11 rupees, guys. Best thing. Okay, guys. So guys, these are small things which I bought. This so I There were also pet wipes, guys. How much pet wipes cost? Okay, they cost very costly. So it was 60 rupees. I didn't got because I already have current one. But guys, such a cheap thing, belt 50-60 rupees, guys. Nobody, you can't get. And scoops. So guys, this was a short video for pets. Okay, guys, Shiro is also there. So I will just show you this guy. So he started playing with his ball. Rad ball. So thanks, guys. Thanks for viewing.